Hello everyone! Welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we dive into today's lesson, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That's exactly right. Hitting the like button and subscribing is a huge help to us. When you engage with our videos, it sends a powerful signal to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the platform that our English lessons are valuable and helpful for your learning journey. That interaction pushes our videos out to thousands of other English learners all over the world who might really need this practice. Your support is the only reason we're able to keep producing these free lessons for you every single week. So please hit that subscribe button right now.
We truly appreciate every single one of you. Our community is growing so fast, and it's honestly amazing to see. And speaking of amazing things to see, Anna, I noticed you were looking at some gardening magazines before we started recording. Are you planning on starting a garden at your place in California?
I am, actually. I've been feeling a bit of a green thumb lately. Being 22, I feel like I've spent most of my life focused on digital things, so I wanted to try something more grounded. I actually got the idea during my last trip to India. I visited these incredible spice gardens in the southern part of the country, and the smells were just life-changing. There's something so peaceful about watching things grow from the earth.
That's a great idea. I grew up here in Colorado, and my parents always had a small vegetable patch in the backyard. There's nothing quite like the taste of a tomato that you grew yourself. But I have to admit, I'm much better at exploring nature than I am at maintaining it.
Well, it's definitely a learning process. I'm starting small with some herbs on my windowsill. What about you? Any new adventures lately?
I was actually looking back at some old travel logs from my trips to the Philippines. You know how much I love the diving there, especially in Cebu and Davao. But I was reading about a small village I visited near Manila where they make these incredible handmade hammocks. I've been thinking about trying to weave one for my porch here. It's a bit ambitious, but I love the idea of having a piece of that culture right here at home.
That sounds like a tough project, Ben, but it's like we always say about learning English. You just have to take it one step at a time and keep practicing.
Exactly, and that is the perfect transition to our lesson for today. We have a fantastic shadowing session prepared for our listeners to help them reach that next level of fluency.
We certainly do. Today, we're diving into another highly requested shadowing lesson. If you're joining us for the first time, shadowing is a remarkably effective language learning technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It's the absolute best way to sound natural when you speak. We're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We've prepared 3 different sets of exercises for you today. The first set will be easy, the second set will be a little more difficult, and the third set will be more advanced. All of the sentences we're using today are incredibly practical for everyday English conversation.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about yourself, your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I'll start us off with the first sentence in our easy set, and then Anna will take the next one. Remember, we'll each say the sentence 4 times, so you have plenty of time to catch the rhythm. Are you ready? Let's begin. I drink hot coffee. I drink hot coffee.
My sister plays soccer. My sister plays soccer.
We like the beach. We like the beach.
I study every day. I study every day.
He has a dog. He has a dog.
My mom cooks lunch. My mom cooks lunch.
I need more sleep. I need more sleep.
She speaks 2 languages. She speaks 2 languages.
I walk to school. I walk to school.
We love the mountains. We love the mountains.
Great job, everyone! That's the end of our first set. Remember to speak clearly and project your voice confidently. Don't worry if you stumble. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel.
That's right, Ben. Now we're moving on to the second set. These sentences are a bit longer and include more descriptive words about your daily life and your goals. Keep up that energy. Let's go. I am learning to bake bread. I am learning to bake bread.
My younger brother is a student. My younger brother is a student.
We usually eat dinner at 7. We usually eat dinner at 7.
I want to travel next year. I want to travel next year.
Finding a new job was hard. Finding a new job was hard.
He enjoys swimming in the lake. He enjoys swimming in the lake.
My parents live in a house. My parents live in a house.
I need to buy new pens. I need to buy new pens.
We like watching funny comedy movies. We like watching funny comedy movies.
She works as a teacher now. She works as a teacher now.
Fantastic work on that second set. Your mouth muscles are getting a great workout today. Stay focused because we're about to move into our final and most advanced set.
This third set is going to be more challenging. The sentences are much longer and use more complex vocabulary to discuss professional growth and personal development. Take a deep breath and stay with us. Transitioning to a new career path requires a lot of courage and planning. Transitioning to a new career path requires a lot of courage and planning.
I find that waking up early helps me stay productive throughout the day. I find that waking up early helps me stay productive throughout the day.
Balancing my personal life with a busy work schedule is quite difficult. Balancing my personal life with a busy work schedule is quite difficult.
My brother recently applied for a scholarship to study at a university abroad. My brother recently applied for a scholarship to study at a university abroad.
Cultivating a positive mindset is absolutely essential for achieving long-term success. Cultivating a positive mindset is absolutely essential for achieving long-term success.
I am currently looking for meaningful ways to volunteer in my local community. I am currently looking for ways to volunteer in my local community.
Immersing myself in a new culture is my favorite way to expand my horizons. Immersing myself in a new culture is my favorite way to learn.
Successfully completing this complex project will require a significant team effort. Successfully completing this project will require a team effort.
I am planning to start a small business in the near future. I am planning to start a small business in the future.
Participating in regular exercise has many incredible benefits for your overall health. Participating in regular exercise has many benefits for your health.
You did it! You made it through all 30 sentences. That was a serious workout, and you should be very proud of yourself for sticking with it until the end.
Absolutely. It's that kind of dedication that really makes the difference when you're trying to master a language. We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. Repetition is the secret key to fluency. The more you repeat these shadowing exercises, the easier it becomes to speak without translating words in your head first.
Thank you all so much for joining us in the studio today. We love seeing how hard you're working and being a part of your English journey.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is a piece of cake.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.